Can a billionaire personally move 20 elephants to a safer home? Under Anant Ambani's leadership, Reliance's Vantaras Rescue Center has done just that, relocating elephants rescued from harsh logging zones to the expansive sanctuary in Jamnagar. This wasn't a symbolic gesture. It involved detailed logistics, expert coordination, and tireless execution, reflecting how vision and philanthropy can unite to create real change. Anant wasn't just signing checks. He was hands-on, overseeing operations, setting a new standard for private sector-led wildlife care. It's a powerful reminder that compassion, when backed by resources and resolve, can move giants, literally. Should more corporations step into missions like this?